price man for jet to say.
Or this year, or Hiniba Ghana rice. On a sweet aroma, not taste it. Say already. And I need to do now where is all.
Hey, I didn't miss me, dear.
Red, no.
Mama, or Hiniba Ghana rice.
Pacho be brave.
Or Hiniba Ghana rice. Home to Naroy Magma.
Yedia Echa Asohu Ghana ha or Hiniba Ghana rice. It's like a royal. Stop and do to a friend 0275 623275 0245 430293. FDA Ajiji Kratoi Atumu.
Oh, Ada, if it's a way you bench Yama. Me a Peter. Say the Abrofo son, I won't know. Packaging, no. A dinner the same. Now, so me give the same. You're inside the near the same. Destination. Ginger me dinner. Wait me, I can't do Cash B, we are too much. Bama, Mommy original bench your 5.
Anio, Shannon se or Hiniba Kasempa Enterprise, a kedunsa original Bensua, Yachin Dogon Afanelano, and Sunday, the Eternity, Nemum Obetunia Wocha Benedahon. Original Abensu, Nomniansemu, Yantom Manipa when you feel doing watch, and Sasa Pim Fornum. FDA Ashasa, a Gadian Kratu Ajat Museye.
Nyamia say ode ene ebra eso ache yebiu de biaya meka ese etru eye eda branda say ene yawada na koju asante mimre ena aso nti se no woche ekobo eye nonkron na se hu say yawada na se branda nko ade a na wache ede aben eye wafidi kese no sanse de biaya meka ese ewiase a yetie de efe de enika enese wohu de ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu na woso wadi hu adanse enu nti na abre nyina no Oheniba Ghana rice anase eye original abensu eso koju asante kinkan so de she word me 1 so masene amamedi dwumadi aya to de se oman mu etew se ede ebro na de bia meka ese Oheniba kan asempa enterprise omu na akofa Oheniba Ghana rice as akofa original abensu ede aba oman yimu na se ope original abensu ebi ate dosopu atu akoton misel enko bebia se dodo wakwa nso bebia fro amanfrom and afrom 0244 661676 0244 661676 and 0275 623275 0275 623275 Sanso ana Oheniba Ghana rice mede maso mache mahunu madibi almesaso asum na mahusa ampa se udi mu a emo ba akopɛ Oheniba Ghana rice meka kyerɛ se okwo bia oban fie free Christmas ni mu bia no ekoye no okoto na de emanika eyemfe ya wo ho ase edam memre da yi twam mu ho no ma ana me yanku bi efrɛ me se opa me kyɛw obetimi anya Oheniba Ghana rice ni bi ato anade oba fie ho no mu na EDB and now catching so why not? In fact, I saw back at him say almost $10. Now $10 now almost almost penny. No, but I'm saying then when you been I'm say oh fine what should I say almost my 7 and I me free Oheniba Ghana rice and paying for me free my would a short time no my good came and now omode a command na a bonus so dear meet my culture say Ghana I find they do mra yes you did it was Oheniba Ghana rice no eye Ghana mo sebio enya amano ne de na would see one man the difference between Ghana de no enya amano ne de say wa me ka biara for wani to form na hwe amano no de no se onnoa na de si wo kakra bi na abu aso obekọ beba no mo hu se amet anase anane aye peche na yemamu ade na eye ohire Ghana rice ne de wo de bu aso fa roba chechire so eye den se de tie na na tie because eno no sabi natural yemfa enko hihye spray dro bi amfa ngugu so a emema spine date bia we natural yemamu ya na yi eye nte no ade afiri ho anasa habana e won ho na yemie no ade eye afiri ho ade ya package na hu ni package no so se mu TV ni so a sanity no so no 0266 na 0244 no 661676 0244 and 0275 623275 0275 623275 Oheneba Ghana rice and nase Oheneba Kasempa Enterprise original abinsu no froma onsa ebe kam said mokui na aso kodu asante king guys with a word me one masene and dijuma ni nyame aduma na ochi awie e da fiada 14th January nyame ya aduma annual Thanksgiving eye me ame papa madie nyina eye Dr. Kwame Chee Bafo nyame ya aduma Unity Group of Company omodi aseda chinchirenche aseda kasepa ede ma boss ro ni asase so wahwe so ama afipa to nanu no so obia bia timikobi ya nyiska ewokra kwa ye nto collection eno aso okoda nyame ase na wadi asa anyumtofo akukutam ena eba sa ada no na baabi a oye no eye abrankese ofa eye ayikwa no so a ye friends fiyase ekwa no so wono ma ehonum ubusa obi ase wokọ ablankese a anase Kesman football club no omo former park wo ehonum ene nyame ya aduma idefiada 14th na we 14th edition was start here 14 years ni ene da 14th so ena oye dwumadi ko na bibia ohaw bi adeko bi ewugidie wo awrade anim se onkonsa amakosa anse meso meko nti osu ekobi ene dwumadi a ye de bramu ye de mbeko Kumasi Croft Room there's a mobile care 2015-2017 mitumani edisi Croft Room market na dia meka se mi begina ha na se mu se be program bia enya de se program na me ye no meja ne sa me no ka se kinka so my information center afa program in life for me ofa dada boot na na free black skitwa any pay form kan so na me amade nyina bra osei ene otumpo omoso ena ehwe information center wa omobie ama kinka so my kroni nyina obia eti de yede eba na sane ne in fact ayrohusem bi esi Kotoka International Airport terminal 3 ho na ayrohusem a esi ho no in fact na mi busa se eti ye Ghana fuyi a sebio ya ji ho atum se ye Ghana fuyi yesu ene ye ban ene ye sen enetie munti asema America na mi wi a mebie funin na mo so ma kire madwen ye Ghana fuo COVID ebaye since 2020 March among paying for at the Niama Bebre and a good quanso. A queer befaswa. You better prevent a COVID no. And I say, it's what they say, oh, my Ghana. Now, as you say, any business, Obi Biara Obi free Amanomi, Ebeba or Maymuno. You be make sure, say, you be screening, and now say, be any test. Before, ne ebikura ba e quarantine wo ebi a 2 weeks dia quarantine wo mu ebi one more 1 week dia quarantine wo mu because e be say share say symptoms na say ya de bi eni ne ho ansa na e jana mana kofie ene sa ko ba so mampan any Ghana Health Service and paying for me uncle pa Dr. Abuaje Edano Ura Patrick Abuaje Edano ensusuye bi omudi ba ene say obi a obefra broche anama no ne baba Ghana bi ebe make sure say airport one before anybody be pie no ebe make sure say ebe test no say wan fire de ni bi ama o man mu ansa na amakwai amanipa no apie ye sure say mo a mo hwe dwumadi mu ti asema America ni serious be be say mo hwe ade a esi na asam ne ni ebusa say saa nkrofo so ba bonte be ka kire say eye covid no edu say ekosia can we believe them? Can we trust them? I don't and I mean mom says and I don't want to show any video. As well make me show video bia. Me person me show video bia because enipo mu ho no ebia nya obia na ohun wo ebia so oma okwai into the problem beba. Na satem ye ho and British Airways ebae KLM eso ebae and other flight bi so ebeka ho nti na flight mako 3 and ebae anwumre 8 o'clock which is 8 p.m. Kotoka International Airport Terminal 3. Eti omo di pia di ba ni nyina no. Na there's understanding say I was say obi akoye COVID test ye gi ni $50, £50, €50. Omo nyina fa omo koye test no. Na omo koye test ni wie no omo check results no. Asoma make ye ni bi sem ayo ho. But ayade so a minia if it's 3 days in the permanent no me said them because I don't know. So the number of cases here is it going to increase or whatever? Sani pano mubegu airport one 7 from any kaya any more than 500 any more than 500 no more airport one test no ayaji wo muskano yejira airport wo ye che say results no be ban sa na ya mu kwai ama o mapie no ebedru be 9 p.m. flight ni bedru 8 o 9 p.m. results no my 10 p.m. results no my 11 p.m. results no my hwese obi a Moses and we are test now within 30 minutes no sabeka results no na ukọ abrofo no obia home ye go from 8 up to anajo 11:30 p.m. results no my which is almost from 8 9 10 11 4 solid hours no results et your friend de be ban say heart a personal mo no a mo ye test no the only thing be can say no ye machine no problem aba ho etimu nyina mo nko I hope say mutie de maker no ade na wo prevent it wo say woni bi say obi wo ya de ni bi no abo ba yimu ti wo mani paro em kokwa ti wo be test na giniska no do you need the money more than any para na say unye ni pare chase ka no because what do you see carry eti the one by bia you don't care so if you know as a machine about no enye papa so do you understand say a study work and am your airport one you are there for money not the protect of the country because who protect o minor and na wuchi di pass covid no e kum nipa etigana ye boy ho boy why are you allowed those people now what you muskana also COVID test now you muskana test na ma results na ma you allow them to go so we don't know how many people want the COVID in be about me 3 days today I said I can go to airport and check flight in a BA KLM any other flight in a car flight Macmaco 3 every penny na you go inside ho yet now from and you 8 I bedroom here ya osa akopem anajo 11:30 p.m. na ye waiting list or ye results to home free UK buy free Germany buy and no free other countries ya ye begu airport won nyina no ye tra on ma akobo 11:30 p.m. yes anka results no don't be can say yanko I didn't 30 minutes no much is can but no results and I'm gonna say yanko so do you know how many people more COVID be on their bomb and uni baby o motete afei ade be che no na maba increase akumni patu na I'm saying say COVID way ama Ghana ba kanyesa So you people no scanning the much be but testing the markets and machine no na scan am every day every night no I didn't am go to machine to be catch say mo machine na jam. So Ghana, are we safe? Airport I was you don't allow anybody to come in. Everybody COVID but we test we have no result you allow us to go. More than 500 people. Yeah, test the Cheska, but it's not results. No, after the hour, I did tell them we spend almost 4 hours. It was in Yanko, Ubiaza and Car results. All the foreigners, any of you go down near the Adina, Osianko. Are you safe? 020 020 11 now 10 now 1 020 11 now 10 91. What's in the panel where test? Where test if you are watching Sika? What did this carry as well? What of results now many panel? After the Obeti Macan say, after the machine, 4 to about 80 yanko. Even more than 500. Why say no clone must mutu to because airport owner move protect the class will be fair man. We test you have no results. You allow the people to go. What is castle? 8 o'clock, I test the 8:30. We spend almost 4 solid hours. You are not getting the results. It's the Emma Humeti. After inside when you are ma Nipankwa. After the mechanic say Yanko. The bedroom fear. Now almost 1 a.m. How much 1 a.m. Why? What is Caluso? At the end of the COVID, Nibe Kuminipa. And I say from an neighbor because here by a test or house and Yebedu. At the Yebedu and I'm almost at $50 £50 near the result. My results. Hello, first of all, hello. Hello. 020. Hello, but your first of all, good evening. Good evening, your first of all, I mean to you. About your first,
program asama wukai ever COVID. Testing and medical officers in testing.
Yes.
Refusing mother.
Yes. Yes.
Usini panunko wajana manako.
Yes.
So waji.
Yes.
Sani pakwe ya government ya fa edua betu ose one wapaniana.
Yes.
Untimi ko baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ndadana omodada ye.
Thank you.
Me to me like say Ghana sika omofa akoto eduro no e na omom pese ebuko wait e na omo force I can say obia nko wopania no so de be ya the opposition no embo mo ti say omo west Ghana sika akoto eduro ba mana ye wait
na me nua hello Obeba Kwana, your mom will test no 24 hours before Obeba.
Anka ya benya pa anka yenji penyimfo no ombat na chire na yufo no enko rulu na ya display on mama
me da
se se de via na ntokwa omukoko wo parliament ate primary school one corner
it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Thank you very much. You see, yeah, Basu, yeah, test 24 hours. Yeah, but we are almost a test. Achi Sika. Results are in Sanka. I'm from Musianko. I don't have to free 020 11 91. Hello, we're from free.
Hello.
But you're from free.
Hello.
Hello, you're from free.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello, you're from free. Hello. 020 11 91. 020 11 91. Hello, you're from free.
Mfrefi abekuma boko. Hello.
Hello, you're from say.
Your friend do belong.
Mami ti ominia.
The woman is penifona and okwa nyamenima yewo wikana ano.
Yeah.
Obia teso hu se nipa ena woni nenam. Enti so wo so be san yare hu
Ombanya.
Yes.
It is so over Quanso Befa. And this is all no answer sena Kuntokoi.
Yes.
The ATA say how much in the Japan says and carry Cadena Bessie.
Assembly.
Then Bessie.
Assembly.
So, ain't Yanda Yamiati Keke. They say they be ama ye hu de ekoso wo ye man. Enti ye youth na ye sorry bano.
Yeah, me ni na.
Just entrance enka ho asem because ye look na di agora tina so ye man na ye sorry.
Anokre.
Anokre. O ye mba ho man nyanka bre ya ye bre yanka ye bre kwa.
Me no ya adwe.
Enti ye srepa ye srempe ni fo no.
Me das.
O mo hwa na mo hwa ni ye.
Me das.
Ye stromo.
Me das.
Ye stromo.
Me das.
Amen.
Yami enshira. Skala moche, muti fa goto meshi papa. Hello, your friends of Frefe. Hello.
Hello.
But your friends of Frefe, my minty.
I'm a patrol, Mr. Presley Quadaso.
Near Frost, Emilia. Jeremiah, Mr. Woodrow, my minty.
Mr. Patrol, opening.
Yes,
sir. Ghana and Cassano opening, and the press is there. When you tell me, or
yes. Yes. Yes, no tag you, but I don't care. Yes. Yes.
Now, the Air Force is a man now. Let's call it 2 weeks.
Yes.
So you knew that.
Yes. 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 Medas Nyamishra. At the end, we see 30 minutes. But you are spending 4 solid hours. Results in the Ansanka. After we so pianko. Why? Hello, your friends of Frefe. Hello. Major Sumira, your friends of Frefe.
Daniel, and your people.
Dan Mamintio.
One say, young man, I was here. The young Cassian did it, and I yesterday by me here was. Yes, a block on a million bedroom. Among your Musa and your mom. Maria, before you will be now. Namia 2 days. I assisted me out there money up. Yes, you got to my country to a prayer. Say you wanted, but what would say of just so say you wanted by such. Yare by landscape, even when you stop with no say. It's going to say, Bruno, a national money, information, no more say. Make us a bit break. My pipe and my young.
Amen. Amen. Medas Yami Insha. Nami Uchis can one from this canoe. But we are not getting the results. But what is Ayapo? What is can say? Obia no obi the COVID, but what is can? What's the system not say? It was a GSK. Hello, Apostle Frefe.
Hello.
But your friends of Frefe.
Pacho, a friend more of Mr.
Blamolo, Mamintio.
Pacho, Yanfa, Yama, or the Mujanalism. It has been a very bon done. But
that's it.
One or group of children are anything. We journalists, a boy, and a science. They see your airport to now, Mujan can one of the family.
And only a 7.
Ebimo.
Yes. Na me say obi mistake say nipa punishment when you dey kwama because nipa more than 500 buy any nyina no what you sika aye test $50, ebi £50, ebi ayi 50 euro. But he ain't resource. You are spending more than 4 hours. Who we are? What's my system? No down to Yanko.
It's done when you don't know what's starting in the fire.
Assembly. Amen. Medasi. Yamishra. Yebefa frɛ for back pɛ near the first segment no abana wie. Ti yefa frɛ for back pɛ na fi akɔ second segment. Na mo hu atuma pa. Hello, your friends of free. Hello. But your friends of free.
The fact I'm not going to take you in King Chelsea.
Oh, more fast.
Hello.
More fast, my minty way.
But you're not going to me that send you a question, dear mammy.
You.
The person you do so, and he said the Ghana Hammer. You were impending for and now say you impending for.
Impending for.
And now education, I am not a Sakusiano. I am not a chrono education, and I say, you're Sakusian, the other world too.
I know the answer.
Reno, Penina, I want to watch us a punishment.
Yes.
Young punishment. Answer Ghana Hanono. Would you want near 2 points?
Yes.
Tiny public have this abonnement. Who don't want to put with that one could be first sleeping in follow. And you when you need a look and I'm not to honor who we are. And you almost say, oh, they say we share other Africa country, be an to move develop here, but room to manage a Ghana. Yes. In Ghana, yes, you could when much in the money here. Yes, sir. So we now come here. Let's say India, every do cocoa beer, Brawate. Check, I shall by Brumao.
Yes.
Yanko perfect clearly bufupa. Ana Yesu Kristo edini moja eba do twitwa de
No correct.
Enti se Yanko po bufu show na ma bi eba ba na Yesu Kristo so na na bufu show be den. Eba ba yeso. Enti so obi bi adwuma ana aban ponto tabra be ya adwuma. Fa ne se eye wa pi wa adwuma no. Results no nipa no ofa na be bo aba so Yanko po da ba so bo de ama.
Ampa.
Sire ye penny for mo mani no na de mu ye bia ne be bu hu aten. Ana tante remember you are the 24 years. You can't do better than baby. Yankopon, ye be or share. And that's coming home.
Enka was so. Midamasi. Yeah, the first segment in this year, after the ever called part 2. Now, yeah, the part 2. And then the more cook massive crew from market. It's a quadrant crato, a bapa, ni chair room, a kumasi, and quadrant crato. You call commercial break.
Oh, I don't if it's a way you bench yama. Me a Peter. Say the abrofon sana onu. She packaging no. A dinner the same. Now so me give the same your inside the near the same. Destination. Ginger me jinem. Wait me akike grono. Cash B. We are too much. Bama. Mami original bench so 5.
Anio, Shannon se Oheniba Kasempa Enterprise, Akedonsa original Bensua, Yachin Dogon Afanelano, and Sunday, the Eternity, Nemum Obetwinia Wocha Benedahon. Original Abensu, Nomniansemu, Yantom Manipa when you feel doing watch, and Sasa Pim Fornum. FD Ashasa, a good yin crowd to him, Ajat Museye.
Ghana rice man for jet mutoni say.
Audition on Hineba Ghana rice. On a sweet aroma, na ni taste it. Say already. On a ni pado do na worries oh.
Hey, I dey mess me dey.
Better no.
Pashimame Oheniba Ghana rice.
Pacho be brave wo ho.
Oheniba Ghana rice. Hom kun na roi mak ma.
a yedua etwa aso ho wɔ Ghana ha. Ohiniba Ghana rice. Eat like a royal. Sop and dodo to a fre 0275 623275 0245 430293. FDA ajijeje krato atumu.
Grato yasa ababio de bia meka se program ya to di se oman mu eti wo se oman Ghana mu eti wo se Kojo Asante nkenka su de hia mikromu efeche obi akrom e wo Ghana ha meka na ye bia hi as umpe sa na etie ukrom e just quarter ma mikrom from 3 to 3 e 2 mass Ghana ha wa krom ne drum mikrom kuma se enkran ba bia no street dem fichiri ti mikrom na dem straight from Kinka Suno Ekwa Kumada Kinka Sunkwana for the whole Ghana. Eti the America children says so choma with the left and right bones up also na tower kesepa esi ekwanso na dem ko Kumasi Krofrom so America 2015-2017 me dem ko market ya satem omampai kofo eye no Kumasi Krofrom that's what was starting no 2016 206 and 2803 so no baby okoduru ye no mpayfo ejai edi esi ho enti Kojo Asante Kinka so this year start say make one asem na emra me ko ho no se de na etie Krofo market no yenkode yenkwohwe ane market yakoduregu yakosi stores miwa se Krofo enchewa mo mpayfo si market ho a kenipa be share na kiakoye market ni look at this you know the way I am su Krofo market on pay ku 4 time then the bisi Kojo and then a wu niam we kocha yes because nipa na research area no I'm telling you when they near can be waka supply now your market after the huge amount huge money na Krofo Kumasi center of Kumasi market way the jam market way and yes for the past almost 10 years in my bank of office to 2008 your friends and market and a market in Aka and I am pride we for any arm robbers any shipping for our marketing or Mexica something about your own or Mexica just about the baby no and you know by the baby yen twaso from 2008 my bank of office market where you are not from for a messing there you are also in the part of the law and now we payment so and the other one market will be of any more than 50,000 market and yes no what not for me as a see market many parties said you a 20% 20% can come 20% one I can buy me a drink the Buamaya, nobody now the Julia show him say, I didn't wait on the bed. Not your sea market, and your macro, Yama minimum, your Yeremo, several your girlfriends, and if from many baby are to Adiano. Not much market this one, says a quap piano, a banana water solo, and your no, I buy the summer beautiful, young Nesse. You're going from the Niskano. Ninja and Japadi or main Japadi market, Krofo market, Kumasi, more Kumasi, Krofo market, and I think this year, Pakofabano, and a down, because I'm on time to chew. 2017, actually year, did I call Western Regional? Nana, the chow, yim for you Naka, you bet your market way, and you go. Mexican deity, I contract from as a couture to one year, Roscos of couture, millions and market for the farm, and now, of course, I'm watching Yama, many a guest near here at the Lord of Paro, and I to one year, and I can't do what's Renchi, could be not your market race and then can't hear the quarter you coach up, I can't tell you, some so can't tell you, Kuomo. the maintenance for which our market TV. Our work and then in for the past 9 years, you know Senibia, you know we are watching, you know we are mom, papa, you know we are Chino, taxpayers one, or being this castle, not Sebio, KMA, number on the stone. But the padlock of it, you say, will see the task. God will punish you people. KMA for God will punish you people. I'm telling you. So yeah, what's the name of anything? President for Baswa. What was like a new, like the Madia. I can say, and I can be damaged. The woman could see a quiet and confuse who was in the car. The man the India, yeah, a mom pie, and so much of market. You could see me.
Right now, I gather that. It's as a home economic contract, contract. After more than 9 years in the area. I don't share the way money the women see now, share the has it here. And we say, when you start to see now, it's so more than 9 years in your movie. Nti many days say about for about we are gonna say the new term to say the more and you activity near by very dangerous. To Kabara the Bantama, remember I went to military and I only see my man's near. So you know about this. Imagine the toilet now, and I never be a special what to do, and I'm very good. Any who say first I'm saying we go for you need to say about the hand tinyame no kwafo eh de so to be any need be see baby ama nipa doma bema em say so be bro de be hu any de sika nyinala ahye enti so na do aba ye be sem be bie kotogugu fam omo modina fi say patana ajoya wa ni biaketwa em say center market fu wa em say ejwa ni ne beba omo modina flenimba and omo smoke na na shemai say adani wura mfufu toilet em ye kogu mu na nyema enya nkoa na ebe ye si akora na wutimi wurem tie frenala wabi omo modina mra we mesima ye ne be fa doma mo bia ho atom ye say etiti pavement so aye munya ba bi nti juju na akore ba ama ye nshi no we na bibi kakra dia ahwema bomo esem bebre ye me say de metumi aka ne so ba ya amaye omo da bia ye kan so ye kan ye nti ho hwe nti na da wo ma ye nim se ba wa ba die wa ba ye nyina ba so mo dina ntwene ni ma mehye ti se ndisi ba no ma fie mu kura ni ha ti so no so ba on fune ni mra mehye no na to aso no wonye na mu ada na man nyina eni kuma se man nyina na nesi
Yadasi mamino anu asi kojo asante maso minu kasei madie nyina odifu kwamla tewia ewa hase a wode mpaebo o se meba meta wachi obo adua mo magana o seme o se o papa de o ye no eyaduma obo o ya boa o man Ghana enso de obi beka enso de obi beka enso de obi ye enso susubo na ye obi so na meka so mi ho no just sebio me papa jamachi and awu betimi because sebio bambo there ehun ehia se me no ka se odifu community wi awufia mi on neba a wode ne mpai bo ni bibia etamachi na yensanko Kumasi grow from market na mo hwe no se kojo asante kinka su di she wet me one me koba ye no sen na asie ene ye komaka cho se ye ne ye ko a ye sa akọ eti yensanko grow from view ni ye ko hwe se market no kojo asante ekọ honum eye 2015 2017 no ene ede ben na asie ene market na na muhu se ye chato hono empayfo atie kojo asante kinka su di she wed me one o asopam ena yakoboso no na yenwie yaboso no aka aye store buildings na egu no me make sure say umbeboso kopun say mehu so o my the writing eti say na muhu no kane ne say na yagya edi asi wo no na eho hanyina na afuna na mo hwe no na aye kwaye no ene anunie na de bia me kase onye adepa ama me meka se bone mfa ho da I'll make sure say the meka no koya me the credit to the beside day at the amount and the crop from market no the biggest market here our Ashanti region crop from market because for where the way we are standard o my baby obi an report obi it is our market way every month for more than 1 million because a big market here. Unhwe ni mpempe so na is almost 500 acre land. And omudi ye sa market yi. And ade na muhu yi am yi before kire no. And ono ade a onyame etumi eye. Efa ATV so etimi ye. King Gasu di share kojo asante wet me one. De bia me ka kire mo say me mejira ha entum futuro emu nipa anim. Me mejira enka de minim. Anase me mejira ha na se bi omi ne akohwi. Efa enkyerɛ no ya ntete me sa. What you say? Eti de wo ti wo no ma wo ka obi wo no ma sabi o sabi adwuma we ene ya wo de ma so otimi nye obi wo no oba wi ase akọ we de no ho ahi na de bet me bo o man no and the results ni nie me we papa meka we bo so ameka what you say eye sofo okay we divu community we amena me ba na me ye ne next do odi mi so machi eso abeland this is here nti asofo maybe papa ni wa me na bo oti omomu e won so happy asofo mpanyinfo ono so eba eti se dem make a kire ono ba bia na aye kwaya crofo market ni e jade ato ono eye abandoned market no ene kojo asante kikasu this year mimi wura hono no say na tie na I'm telling you say video them show the first say na tie no unya bi o wiase bi because it sees say that you will be biara mo mo nam YouTube any Facebook or amade me stories na mo de ade ato ATV logo no so na mo de yam story me ka cho ya mo for credit ne ma de credit ne se no mo ye de ade wadi carry de it na etu ko YouTube na o kreke o man mu to say ana say friend say kojo asante kinka su a mo benya edam stories am ye fi 2014 ni nyina egu hono enti mo benya ni nyina hwe enti market na empty market na nesi hono na nipa mfa nye hye no akojo asante be ka ho asem no de nyame etumi ye yes de onyame etumi ye edema oman Ghana Kumasi to be precise ene Kumasi for Crofo market no eno na Yakopon afa kojo asante so a mene wo ka sei yakwa akobo so na muhu ni said it no na say no me de mani asi abrosan so say empayfo no make sure say abrosan so be 02011911091 02011911091 it me ka to say program na ye ne ha no ye we dey e be follow na next week dey be dey ba no na me ya do next week Tuesday dey be dey ba no me say wo fi abekoto na wo kokoto dwanim no bompa ese urade nhira branti de nipa boni bi obetule ho adwempone obesusu boni bi am ogire so obeka se urade ntua ne ka obi obetira ba bia ka asemfo kwasabi onkwase asemafa no bi ano amikra ma minya me papa kuju kwabra te bi akra ye no na me ono mo ye ni nyina no ye kese nti no de mo de me fa eti ubeti ma frɛ na wo so wa kyerɛ wadwe e be frɛ so fefe.
Hello, I'm calling from Palm, say drinking gas.
No fancy young quiet, the offer, the Yamifam suit to be a program.
Yeah, that's a part of my Boma on my Ghana.
That's it.
I can't feel so many to
aye.
So, I can see our highest over picture. Mamma,
yes.
There be able to come over. That's your problem. I also don't think but I'm paying for it. You're going for a mouth. I have a proper market and a stronghold of war LPP. LPP for something reading, young over your mass something reading. I'm not paying for. And yes, I will see why you're there. Oh, Mahama. Did you do at the back of the father and I was so and yet I am a Santo stronghold. Now no more Ghana hold on. That's it. I'm
02011911091 Usubit my friend because they be America, we are the part Mecca, we are the one near Mecca. It's Enna at the horn. Hello, France of Fefe. Hello,
yeah.
But your first of Fefe.
And I'm joining
Major Suminia.
I'm a different friend about only market day. And my market and the time is flow.
Matty, and
with my company can see the old man. And then covenant to me. I think I would have fun to air.
na come from later 3.
No problem.
Na me more details.
No problem.
Na mo be cross.
Mate, it would there. Actually, your program na sa number kure ya frame wo sabe ka me. Why? You're nasty. Also, ubetimi afre 02011911091. You see, baby I can said the market and it's here no. Na agu en so ya mo manamra. Mo nhwe ni nhwe na so. How do you first of everything? Hello. Lydia Mamintio. Amy Lydia. Hey, Lydia. Oh, now we are there. Medasi.
Government school. Mahama Bisi too then. I said don't make that energy.
Okay.
If I talk
Lydia, me program na some number crowd mo na me boa.
My own na.
What the phone number na free na to me bi I frame why? Mate. Ya che uja so ma. Okay, yo. Uso bit my frame. So ya mama said the market rate first no. Emra. Na so emra. Why? Mr. Mo amunye na sa. 02011911091. Me see baby am because a program we a programmer everyday resource ever. It is a mo constitution adapt na yeti kromia na ye sebi adopt to China for kasa na ye di Ghana ye language no twi na de kira se obakoda maame fo papa fo a sebi o mutu mu nyira futwene na o mutiti TV ho ehwe abra weri nyira koso o man. How your friends of everything? Hello 02011911091. Usubeti my friend na do adwen kire edi aba Crofro market said the net yeni and then Yakopon funking girls with this word me one so ama ene Yakopon atie isufre akwako boso eti baby a wo bia no e bia also program and a problem kasibia with my friend as we said na net say na market no na achinsem edi aye between a month from 2015 2017. Hello, your friends all free.
Hello.
But your friends all free.
Hello.
Your friends all free. Good evening, but your friends all free. I mean to.
Paito. Oh no, Accra.
Kasa. Mr. Oli TV ne this time we need free so. Ofra. Ofra no low TV volume no. Na ya te wonka. Se wo tie won a ye nte. Hello, your friends all free.
Ya mi pacho me ye frame ni Kofi mi kasa Botiano.
Kofi mamintio.
Mi pacho we one of them media meka say before ye bibini e betimi akọ enimu no. Ye be ye late. Bibini ntimi kọ nimu da.
Kofi no ya.
Bibini ntimi kọ nimu da. She market go fine say. Market go fine say. Ne omo ajan ne won nyafu ne akọ adani college ne obi akọ ne aban ohwe on ti se bibi fa won a da be na bibini ni be ne nyam yakọ ne shiro ne mo ko edigu na duma wo ye no e ko so amen.
Bye bye. You see the biameka even before I meet me akọ twa esa market those time no security na wo ho no but I don't care. Me am nuku am fa so am kutwae na mbe yiye so mi di akire. Hello, your friends of free.
Hello,
but your friends of free.
I'm free Spinters.
You near friends say
yo I'm in a better now. I think you are
abi sam ne near te gona nkwana abi se afide me di bramo no we yanketwa
they say Ghana for na me po via chow
sa
2022
2020
John Mahama no one boy na aban we dey nya aban kura
anu akire wadwe anu akire wadwe ya dase but nya campaign ene ye no ha se 02011911091 Mr. Yakob so so manamra ne mfa nwie mu rotate adena na efe Mr. mu 020119191. Na one way na ba no ma ye ko boss so aba na obi enya concert ni. Hello, your friend so free. Yo, mami nti o minia. Me dance.
Oh my God, so.
Eno kre.
Na yes, so ta be na. But for the drop for the folk party. So go no be credit so pa we mo be so. Ne ko mo dia fashion. So che mo dia so we say e kan you.
Oh, his side no mo hampa.
Almost every frequency, especially bank man, agency for instance. Market new honor. Can we move them up, double move them up, open it. Hey. From Asia to fantastic. But what much the education?
I see.
Who the kind of education now they on so far? Because the center fana. Yes. Okay. Up for the fight. When you up with them.
When Nyami Aduma, Fremi Friday, and we are be 2:00. Fremi. Na o frame a o the number na good screen so na offer 020 frame why yo me dasi yet me fa frephobia ebio ye frephobia nyina ebi si ahase na serem sika oheba ka sempa enterprise omuna akofa original abensu edi aba omanga na imam sraw onuma no nyanse menum ne basabasa onuma no hunse onuma sanipedua no ya de ye rehwente a kakadru suruisa ene eye friend say ensafufu ankasa ena ede aye na esa nipadua no mu yade nti wonnom a hu se wonnom na watu nipadua no mu yade bi a asie sanso ena Oheniba Ghana rice yemo yidi no oman de bia meka se oti kurom a amamre de eye di kuro no mu aduane na mu gya se mo aye kraba ye express so emo ni so ase roba na enan da bi Oheniba Ghana rice eye mo papa udibia beto na apenu do so pu afro mu 0275623275 and 0244661676 na obinya omu na emo ni bi so akotu na me de madibi ana mahun se ampa ayemo a ejina na suyi papa na serem si ekan no mi koi made nyina utifo community wia na eba na oba beji baton no na wo fie wo haw ne sei o ma ne hunu ne sei wo di anantia e bia na wo hia futu okituwa bi eno na ayawden o ofanko new ofanko Church of Rabbi rodru a ofanko hospital no wo also he ofanko general hospital na chi ope na odifo community ho de onyadru aka so ko odifo community wi akra e bia na maame sabi wo chim no kra no so otimi kasa obekire ho ko na ko hwehwe nipadua no ene wa nkasa wa prapom na 2022 die yankɔ ne sɛ kane no bright osebonsu ene Mustafa ena omu eka eniema siani edi koju asante kinka so di hye word me wa begina o problem bia wo de 020119110 na ofra beba abehwam ya wada so ye de de mountain ahwe ne no ebebrem bye bye nyame inshallah bye.
Oheniba Ghana rice man for jet muto ni say.
Audition Oheniba Ghana rice. Ona ni sweet aroma, na ni taste it. Say already. Ona na ipado do na worries o.